Yes. Yeah. Very good morning. Good morning to all. Today we will discuss some sort of the basic concepts of civil engineering and project management. Is it okay for you guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can anyone tell me which are the domains that you can enter after your civil engineering? Which are the areas that you can enter?
Construction and design.
Yes, definitely. Any other domains? Shashankji, which are the other domains that you can enter?
Management.
Yes. Rashmi, which are the domains that you can enter after your academics?
Project management also, sir.
Okay, fine. Himanshu?
Site construction,
Yes, definitely. That's a major thing in civil engineering department. Yes.
railway, airport,
Okay.
cement factory,
Okay.
mining,
Okay.
Hmm?
etc.
Already you are in seventh semester. You need to plan and you must reach your milestone. By the end of your eighth semester, you'll be getting some of the companies to your college for the campus recruitment. Okay, see, these are the major domains of civil engineering that we have. One is the planning and project management, design and analysis. Third one is construction. These are all the things that have been uh, told by you guys itself. Now, this planning and project management is a basic thing for any of the project. Coming to design and analysis, this is the second stage. Finally, we go for construction part with the many of the things to be considered in this aspect. Got it? These are the three major domains where we can enter after our civil engineering academics. Okay, now we have three things. One is project planning and project management. Do you know which are the things that we come across in planning and management, project management? Which are the softwares that we undergo?
Primavera for project management.
Okay, then fine. What about the other things apart from
CAD
Primavera?
and Revit,
Pardon me, Rashmi.
planning.
Okay, which are the beautiful softwares for planning part?
So CAD and Revit,
Okay, Revit we can do
3ds Max.
estimation in Revit, right? Design and
Yes,
estimation
sir.
in Revit. Okay, now coming here in planning and project management, we have around 128 project management softwares in this world. 128, it's not a small thing. Learning all the
Okay.
128 softwares is impossible. I hope so. Coming to design and analysis, which are the softwares that we are having?
ECAP,
Okay,
AutoCAD,
fine.
Revit,
Okay,
3ds Max,
okay. What about analysis part?
yes, sir.
It,
Skype,
it
CAD
apps.
Pro, ETABS.
Okay, great answers. Here we have some of the equipments to be read in construction part that we will do it later. Okay, the next slide shows project execution process. See, for any project we need to handle, you want to handle, or you are about to handle, we need one basic thing. What is the thing? What is the basic for handling a project?
Confirmation about the site,
Okay,
ownership,
okay.
after plan,
Before
data to be
that,
collected from the site,
before execution of the process or before entering into a project, we must have an idea, right? What we need to
yes, sir.
implement in this project. What is this project? For that project, we need some budget, right?
Yes, sir.
We need some budget.
Yes, sir.
Okay, we need to fix the budget for any of the project initially itself, because it the money matter does not hamper, must not hamper any of the project in the forthcoming days. Is it or not?
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. See, the idea is the initial thing for any of the project. Next, we need to make the survey. As Sritaran told, we need to make the survey. Is this ownership confirmed? We need to check all the legalities of the project. Is it or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then will go for this project planning part. How many days we need to complete this project? How we need to complete this project? How optimally we need to implement all the resources in this project? Then we need to go for the generating the drawings, which is a beautiful software that we have for generating the drawings.
AutoCAD.
Yes. Civil engineers obviously use AutoCAD for this drafting part. That's a major tool that we are having in this industry.
Yes, sir.
Coming to 3D modeling parts, we are having so many softwares. Can you name those softwares?
3D
AutoCAD
Max.
3D.
Okay, fine. 3ds
Revit
Max.
3D Max.
Yes. Revit and 3ds Max are the major softwares that are in boom now. Okay. Can anyone say what's the difference in 3ds as well as Revit architecture?
In Revit, sir, we have only options that they were provided already in that software.
Okay.
So we must use only those things only. But when coming to 3ds Max,
Okay.
we can create new things. We can design new things.
Okay. Fine. Both are
Yes,
the
sir.
modeling softwares. Both 3ds Max and this Revit architecture. The one more thing added tool in this Revit architecture is the estimation part. A candidate, a civil engineer, can estimate an entire project in its in this software itself, but it can't be handled in 3ds Max. I hope so.
Sir.
Coming to analysis part, which are the softwares that we have?
Correct.
Site.
ETABS, StatPro,
ETABS.
and SIPE, sir.
Great. Okay. This is the entire project execution process we used to practice in any of the project. Okay. In any of the project, we'll be having this process. Okay. Consider we will compare, benchmark this one with your academics. Okay. Now you are in the 7th semester, right? You are in the start of the 7th semester. This is an idea. There is an idea that you have to perform, and you have to perform well in the 7th semester. This is an idea of yours. Then coming to survey part,
Yes, sir.
what you will do, you will survey which are the subjects incorporated in your 7th semester. This is a survey that you are doing. Next, you will plan accordingly. I don't know you will plan or not. You must plan accordingly for the entire semester. That is called project planning.
Okay, sir.
Is it or not?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Coming to this generating drawing and the generating 3D model, we can compare this one for your preparation of each and individual internals, right? First, second, third, you will be having 3 internals in your academics. Now also you are getting
Yes, sir.
prepared for the 7th semester internship program. This is the preparation.
Yes, sir.
Preparation.
Yes, sir.
Coming to analysis part, your exam. Is it or not? This is a simple way we can benchmark your academics to the project execution process. The construction is your job. Obviously, you need to enter into the job now. Probably you may get some of the companies in 8th semester. For that part, you must be ready,
Yes, sir.
interview ready, because getting job outside the market is very difficult now. 20 to 30 crores of employees are fired because of this pandemic situation. Then see how you will get a job in the industry now. Because only with your academics, it's very tough to get a job. Along with your academics, you need to have some technical skills with you. I hope yesterday your Moin sir posted in his status some of the requirement for this Primavera and all, one of the company. Okay, these are the requirements we are also getting nowadays. But we want some of the candidates who will be well thorough in some of the technical skills. Some of the modeling softwares, not only for this project management part, we will be having vacancies for site construction. We will be having vacancies for design planning. We will be having vacancies for analysis part. These are the things you need to keep in mind. You need to consider your 2 semester final end semesters, because you are in the 7th semester. I am telling you guys, consider these two academics, these 2 semester as a project. You just execute in a proper way. You will be getting a beautiful future in your after your academics, because you have ample of time now. No one is forcing you guys for earning the pennies,
Yes, sir.
right? Is anyone forcing you
Yes,
at
sir.
home to earn so much
No,
of
sir.
money? Because
Yes,
your
sir.
dad and mom striving for that. After 8th semester,
Yes,
your
sir.
turn begins. Then you can't sit at home jobless, right? For that part, you
Yes,
must
sir.
plan accordingly these 2 semester to get additional skills. Those can be implemented in your professional career. Got it? Am I boring you
Okay, sir.
guys?
Yes.
Am I
No,
boring?
No,
sir.
sir.
Sorry, these are the mandatory inputs that I want to give for each and every individual who will get trained under me. See, as we discussed earlier, we are having some of the beautiful softwares which are prominent in the civil industries. That is, for the project management part, we have MSP as well as Primavera. Primavera is a software which is worldwide, because of this user flexibility in Primavera, as it is a portfolio management software. We have so many projects in this world. We have so many softwares in this world where these projects are divided. We are having the projects part, we are having a programs part, we will be having a portfolio part. This Primavera is a portfolio management software. You keep this word in mind so that I'll explain you later. No need to worry. Okay, these terminologies are very new to you, because as you guys are in academics now, you'll be not knowing these terminologies and all. No need to worry about that. We are having beautiful session ahead about this portfolio management software. Okay, you just keep these words in mind. What is Primavera? Primavera is a portfolio management software. That's the thing I want you guys to keep in mind. That's enough. Later we will discuss. Okay. See, in design analysis, as you told me, we have AutoCAD, Revit Architecture, 3ds Max, ETABS, and StatPro. These are the some of the beautiful softwares in the industry where we can make miracles in those softwares. For coming to the construction part, we used to say use some of the softwares for this quality and all, for surveying part also. How many of you know how to use Total Station and Theodolite?
I know, sir.
Theodolite or Total Station?
Lord.
Both.
Both, you know, right? That's a great thing, because as you enter the site things, you will be having a surveyor in your hand. Okay, so Total Station is very mandatory in sites. Okay,
Yes, sir.
these are the things what we want to discuss about the skills required for a civil engineer. See, this is the end of the basic of this civil engineering part and the domains that we have. Next, apart from this, we will entirely engage in this project management software. That is, what is project and what is project management. See, now we have two terminologies here. That is project as well as project management. What is the project? I want vague answers. I don't want textbook definitions and all. I hope all of you have seen this Three Idiots movie. ನೋಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
Yes, sir.
I hope you remember this dialogue. Asan Basa mein bol. Asan Basa, user-friendly language. I want all the definitions in user-friendly language, because all the definitions in user-friendly language will be in your mind. Is it or not? Is it or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Then tell me, what is project now? I want everyone to switch off their video modes. Hanuman, PV Gowda, Hritik, Shashank, Hemant Kumar, Anusha, Sunil Jadhav. What these guys are doing, I don't know. Okay, what is project? I may take hardly half an hour more, you guys. It will be interactive session. Don't make me mum in this session. Make it interactive because it is an internship program, not a simple lecturing session. For this internship program, I want an interaction from your side. Okay, I'm asking you what is a project in general definition.
Project is finite activity.
Himanshu, yes, tell me.
This project is a finite activity, list of activities.
Yes. Then Sri Tarun, any answer?
Project includes all estimation, planning, and execution of the project.
Definitely.
Execution of the work.
Yes, Rashmi, yes. Hemant?
It's a sequence of work that we have to do.
Okay.
It's a sequence of work.
Okay. Then any answers? As you all guys told, this project is a set of activity, right? It's a bunch of activities. It's a set of activities to be executed in a stipulated time. Got it? It's a general definition of a project. Yes. What is a project? We got the answer. A project is a set of activities to be executed in a stipulated time, in a set period of time, right? Right?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
See. Now we'll come to the textbook definition. Do you know, anyone know this PMBOK, PMBOK? Have you heard about this?
Yes.
Okay, fine. This is a beautiful book, beautiful edition. Now it's in 6th edition. Project Management Body of Knowledge. This is a famous book. Each and every project management professional need to read this because it's published by Pennsylvania University PMI, Project Management Institute, Pennsylvania. In this book, each and every example is there, has been portrayed for each and every engineer. Because do you know which are the domains uses this project management software? Which are the engineering domains that uses project management software?
Structural engineering.
Okay, fine, Himanshu. Yes. Any other answers?
Construction companies.
Great, Rashmi.
Surveying departments.
Okay.
Site engineers.
Shashank ji, please switch on your mic. Okay. Any other answer? We are having different engineering domains. What are the engineering domains that you have in your college? Mechanical,
Mechanical, civil,
Civil.
computer engineering, triple E,
yes.
electrical.
Mechatronics.
Then there is a concept and a illusion that is only civil engineers will use Primavera. Until I learned Primavera long back, I was also having the same assumption that only civil engineering candidates must have Primavera in their background. But each and individual industry in this world can use Primavera for this project because each and individual domain will be handling projects, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
We have a current version of Primavera that is P6. Earlier we were having Primavera P3. We had jumped from P3 to P6 because of user-friendly behavior. That P3 version we were using DOS commands. You know MS DOS, right?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Oh, now in P6 we are having this mouse operations entirely based on mouse operations. It's very user friendly. That's why we have opted P6. You might be having some
Okay.
questions. So where is P1, P2, and up to what version this has been extended? Until now, it has been extended to P9, where other engineering domains are using this one. Now, for civil and mechanical engineers, we are having this Primavera basics. Later, we will go
Okay,
the
sir.
entire discussion about this Primavera. See, now this PMBOK definition, that is project management body of knowledge, having a beautiful definition. Project is a temporary endeavor undertaken to create a unique product or service. Are you agree with this point?
Yes, sir.
Do you agree?
Yes.
Yes, we have two words over here, that is temporary and unique. We have two words, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Why these two words are used, temporary and unique? Why these two words are used? Can anyone tell me why these two words are used? Why project is temporary?
It is not a long lasting.
Definitely. Sri Tarun, it's a beautiful answer. Rashmi, any answer? If it's an vogue answer also, no need to worry. Just open your mouth. That's it. Yes. Yes, ma, tell me.
So only project you are asking. Okay.
Yes, yes. Only project.
After the completion of the project, we don't use.
Yes, that's called temporary, right?
Yes, sir.
This project will be handled in a stipulated time, as I mentioned you earlier. Why
Okay.
this? These projects are meant. These projects are meant for human luxuries and for human
Yes,
facilities,
sir.
right?
Yes,
As
sir.
as a
Yes, sir.
human being is temporary. Obviously, these projects are
Yes,
temporary.
yes, sir.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This is a simple way of handling a project. Yes. Now we are having a successor for this project, that is management. We are adding one more word for this project, that is project management. Do you know what is project management? We have two words over here, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now, can you tell me what is project management?
Managing the materials what we have
Okay.
during project,
Great, great answer.
including with including with human activities
Okay.
Managing the activities
and
within the time, within a stipulated time.
Great, 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 great. Yes, actually, this project management, this project with a successor called management, having a huge weightage in the industry. See, in a project management consists of all these things: budget, planning, problem solving, milestones, control, risks, goal, deadlines, communication, teamwork, and we have some other tasks in this. We have to manage all these things in a project. Is it or not?
Yes.
We have to manage entire things in the project. This is the thing that you will learn in Primavera. How to manage a project that you are handling.
okay, sir.
Right? See, next we have a beautiful thing called triple constant triangle. For handling a project, this triangle, understanding this triangle is very mandatory. We have three things over here, that is scope, cost, and time. These are the three huge weighted terminologies in project management. Now, I want to ask you one question. What is the difference between cost and price? We have two terms, right? Cost and price.
Yes,
Can
sir.
anyone tell me what is the difference between cost and price?
No, sir. We analyze the how much amount we
Pardon me? Any more answers?
No, sir.
Cost is the estimated amount. Price is market amount.
Very good answer, Himanshu. That's a good answer. Yes, definitely. Is any other answers? Each and everyone are requested to switch on their video modes. For the session to be interactive, I want each and everyone to switch on your video. Please. A project manager, as you are a project manager, as you will be a project manager, the the money matters that you handle is called as cost. Is it or not?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Consider you are about to build a G plus 10 building, G plus 10 apartment. The material, resources, and labor, all the things, the money involved in this is called as cost. After completing your project, it will be handed over to marketing department for the marketing part. The financial part handled by marketing department is called price. Got answers?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Got answer? This is the simple difference between price and cost, because cost is the things that we handle in the project. See, now we are having these three things. We have constraints of, we need to balance the constraints of scope, cost, and time within the framework of quality to meet the customer expectations. Because as I mentioned earlier, as I used to mention, quality will be not by a chance. Quality is a promise done by a project manager. Quality is by hard work.
Yes, sir.
Let us assume you will be getting 85 to 90%. Is it by chance?
No, sir.
No, sir.
It is by hard work. It is by hard work. Getting 35?
Chance.
There might be a chance of fail also in this. That's of optimum
sir.
quality. That's of poor quality. If you want to get higher percentages in your academic, then there must be hard work. Nothing other than that. ದೇವ್ರಿಗೆ ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ ಎದ್ದು ಕುಂಕುಮ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ದಿವಸ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ನಡೆಯಲ್ಲ. ದೇವ್ರು ಕಾಪಾಡ್ತಾನೆ, ಹಾರ್ಡ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಇರ್ಬೇಕು ನಿಮ್ದಷ್ಟೇ. Okay. See, these are the three constraints that we have: scope, time, and quality. Scope, time, and cost. These are the three constraints. Now, what do you mean by constraint then? Constraint ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? What do you mean by constraint? Restriction ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
Yes, sir.
Recently, you have suffered much of constraint, so much constraint in your residences. Why?
Yes.
Due to this pandemic situation, you have suffered so much of constraint, restriction. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಈಗ? What is constraint?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
We have a constraint. We have a restriction of scope, cost, and time. Time limit ಇರಬೇಕು ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟಿಗೆ. If I want to complete this project in 12 months, I have a battery limit of from start of the project to end of the project. Between this 12 months, we have 365 days. We need to plan accordingly to the project, to be executed on or before the 12 months. We need to allocate the budget, that's the cost part, and we need to allocate the scope. Consider we have 12 members in this group. We need to build a G plus 12 apartment. The scope is Himanshu will be taking care of first floor, Rashmi will be taking care of second floor, Sritaran will be taking care of third floor, and so many others will be taking care of individual floors. Now, what is the scope of Himanshu? First floor is the scope of Himanshu.
Yes. Sir.
Second floor is the scope of Rashmi. Are you getting what is scope?
Yes, I'm getting.
Rashmi will be responsible for second floor. Himanshu will be responsible for first floor. This is the scope of each and individual activity. Are you getting my words?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. I hope I have cleared all the 3 points to you now. If all the 3 scheduled in an optimum way, then your project will be beautifully completed. Got it?
Okay, sir.
Got it?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay. See, now we have a beautiful term that is called plan. Right? Now, for
Yes,
example, I will just related this plan to your academics. Now you are in 7th semester. There are around 5 months to complete your 7th semester. Approximate 5 months will take. Okay. Initially 15 days you can plan accordingly. Or within 5 days, I planned in a hurry way, in a random way, I started executing. At the end of the project, because of the improper planning at the starting of the project, at the starting of the semester, I could not handle the exam in a proper way. See, the first example resembles that example. The first figure, you are getting this right? Do, undo,
Yes,
redo.
sir.
Do,
Yes.
undo, redo. Do, undo, redo we will be seeing in this pieces in the virtual programming. The same thing will happen in your academics also if you are not planning in this in a proper way at the initial stage of your semester. If I plan accordingly, if I take 15 days of ample of time for planning my academics, I want to complete this syllabus in first month. I want to complete this syllabus in the second month. By the end of the fourth month, you will be completing entire syllabus. There will be time for revision.
Yes,
And
sir.
you can execute the exam in a beautiful way so that you will be having a benefit of planning at the end of your project also. Got
Yes,
it?
sir.
Got it?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
This is the
Yes,
thing
sir.
where we, because I am giving the example of your academics because you know that. As I am an experienced guy, I can give an example of the side, but you can't perceive that example. You can't sense that example. Now I am giving the example of your academics so that you can sense it. Is it or not? In the
Yes.
same way, if we go for a project, initially we need to plan accordingly. Probably it may take 1 month, probably it may take 2 months. Plan accordingly and then execute with the suitable resources. Then we will be benefited with the time over here, so that we can hand over a project early in the earlier stages to the marketing department, so that it will be sold out in a shorter time, so that you will be benefited. You will be getting incentives for this. This
Yes.
must be a motto of each and every project manager, project engineer. Got it? Got it?
Okay, okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. See, now we are having a project life cycle here. Everyone, make sure of that. Are you getting this screen on your screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. See, now we have a project cycle over here. The x-axis is plotted with time, and the y-axis is plotted with cost and staffing level. In this graph, we are having some sort of activities, 4 activities over here. That is the starting of project, organizing and preparing. Third one is carrying out of the project, and final is the closing of the project. That is called the commissioning of the project. See, now we are taking ample of time, more time in the third stage, that is carrying out of the project. Is it or not? What does it mean?
Yes.
What does it mean? See, this carrying out of the project is nothing but the site activities. Each and every maximum amount of resources will be involved in this stage, that is the third stage. According to the PMI, that is the Project Management Institute of Pennsylvania, According to the PMBOK, Project Management Book of Knowledge, around 68% of the time will be consumed in this third stage. How much?
68%.
Yes,
68.
68% of consider around 70% of the time will be consumed in this carrying out of the project. If we were not able to plan accordingly in the initial stages, the project will hamper in this stage. For that part, we, the project engineers and the project managers, we need to take care of this time. That is the starting of the project and organizing and preparing. In these two stages, we need to take care for planning of the all the resources. Got it?
Okay.
Got it? Then
Okay, sir.
the
Okay,
final
sir.
commissioning of the project, closing of the project will be very smooth. Very smooth.
Okay, sir.
Got it? Got it?
Okay, sir.
Okay, I'll give you a small example. As I mentioned you earlier, I work with JSW Steel Limited. We have commissioned Asia's largest blast furnace over there. In that blast furnace, I was in the project that is material handling system. What we have did, we did the project duration was around 8 to 10 months. We were about to complete this project in December 2010. 2010 or 11, 2011, we were about to complete this project.
Okay, sir.
We completed this project in 2012 January. We took hardly 15 to 20 days extra for this project. In this project, we have suffered around 800 crores loss for the company. We have faced 800 crores loss for the company due to the late in production, delay in the handover, because of non-availability of the resources, because of the poor planning. The same way, I have handled individually the project called Waste Heat Recovery Systems in 2013. The project duration was around 8 to 9 months. I have handed over the project in within the 6 months of time. The profit for the organization was 1,300 crores. Who will be in benefit? Company will be in benefit. The project manager will be in benefit, because it's an additional feather for the project manager, so that it will give nice increments, nice promotions, and nice satisfaction for us. Got it? For this,
Okay.
project engineer, a
Okay, sir.
civil engineer with a good project management idea will success in every aspect. If you are good in proper planning, it's just like picking hair from butter. ಬೆಣ್ಣೆಲಿ ಕೂದಲು ತೆಗೆದು ಕೇಳಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ಬೆಣ್ಣೆಲಿ ಕೂದಲು ಎಷ್ಟು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದೇ ತರ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಪ್ಲಾನಿಂಗ್. If you are good in project planning, it will be very easy to execute the project. Got it? Each and everyone understood this slide, project
Okay,
life
sir.
cycle.
Yes.
See,
Yes,
as we
sir.
discussed earlier, we have three things over here in the world, that is projects, programs, and portfolio. Projects, nothing but consider we have an engineering department where we are having two domains, that is mechanical as well as civil. In these two phases, mechanical and civil, we will be having three projects, that is design, construction, and project management in civil. In mechanical domain, we are having design, production, and project management. This is the common thing. Project management is the common thing, because as I told you earlier, each and every industry will use project management for their projects. Now see, this is the last slide I am explaining. Okay, be keen over here. There are some projects here. In the industry, we are having some of the project management software. Second one is programs. We are having some of the programs management software. And coming to portfolio, we are having some of the portfolio management software. Coming to this portfolio management software, Primavera is in the industry from last 6 years. This is a major portfolio management software in the industry. For this part, Primavera is a prominent software in the industry where we can handle any of the portfolios. Got it? Artha aita? Got it?
Sir, what we do in portfolio, sir?
Portfolio, see, here I have mentioned the example. We have divided complete engineering department. Complete engineering department into two programs. These two programs will be handled in Primavera, and these two programs are further divided into three projects. All these projects are handled in Primavera. Okay,
Yes.
we can handle entire portfolio. We are not handling only single projects in this. We can handle projects, we can handle programs, we can handle portfolio also in this. We are having some of the softwares in the industry, so that we can't handle portfolios in that.
We don't have to use different softwares.
Yes, we are having, but
In only one
those are
software we
not.
can do everything.
Yes. In this Primavera, we can do everything. That is portfolio management. Got it?
Okay, sir.
Okay. Fine.
Yes.
See, this Primavera was launched in 1983 by Primavera Systems Corporation, which was acquired by Oracle Corporation in 2008. Earlier, it was SQL Cloud Database. Features of Primavera. Primavera is an enterprise project portfolio management software. Got it? It includes project management, scheduling, risk analysis, opportunity management, resource management, collaboration and control abilities. Integrated with enterprise software such as Oracle and SAP ERP systems. So this is a brief introduction about Primavera. Where what are the things that we can handle in Primavera? Got it? These are some of the screenshots of Primavera, what we will undergo in the next classes. Okay, this is the activities table. This is just a glimpse of Primavera that I have given you. Okay, everyone got it? Why we use Primavera, what is project and what is project management and all?
Yes, sir.
Yes, any queries on this? Any questions on this? All of you, Ritik, Hemant, Hanumant, Jan, Sunil.
If we need licensed software, then how much we must pay, sir?
If you have 45 to 50 lakhs in your pocket, so that you can go ahead.
Oh, okay, sir.
Okay, now we are dealing with this
Okay.
educational background software, so that I have that. I'll just share in a couple of classes, so that I'll share the drive link, so that you can use that. You can install that software and you can practice in that. Okay, no need to worry about the commercial software
Okay, sir.
right now. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Then any doubts, Rashmi?
So when we need to install the software, sir?
No, okay, in a couple of days I'll share you the link. No need to worry. Okay.
Okay.
How many of you have laptops with you? Himanshu?
I have.
I have, sir.
Yes,
Rashmi is
I
having?
have.
Sritaran? Tarun?
No, sir. It is in
Okay,
hostel.
fine, no problem.
No,
Hanuman?
sir. It is in hostel, sir.
Okay,
sir.
okay. Hanuman? Pratik? Hope these guys switch off their videos and went for roaming. I hope so. Hemant?
No, sir.
Okay, fine. What we'll do is we'll just meet tomorrow on the other session. We need to have some sessions on critical path method and all. Okay, we'll be having some practice sessions also. From day after tomorrow, hope so, we'll be with software. Right? Okay, shall I wind up the
Okay,
session?
sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay, have a great day. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Bye.
Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Sir.